Trader.com. It's Monday, September the 16th. These are the charts of the day. Not a bad day in Wall Street. A good close anyway. We're going to start off with looking at some of the stocks that we have been trading and or have some real potential here. If you look at ASND, big day on positive drug news. The stock goes from literally from a close yesterday about 119 and ripped at one point to 149 for 30 points. It did back off 10 points, but finished up 20 on the day, a big day. And looks like with a close up near the resistance level, the next target is 155.62 zone. BLCO, rumors of a potential sale of the company, broke out of a base, 7 million shares traded. Nice breakaway move. Next target, 20.5. COMM and a beautiful rising channel. It's been featured several times in the last few weeks. You can see how this stock looks to me like it's headed for 7 and maybe 9. CRVS broke out a couple of days ago here and has extended with a nice volume of 1.7 million, which doesn't sound like a lot, but for that stock, it's the biggest volume traded since last September or a year ago. So a 52-week volume high. Now looking for 7 and 9. GRRR popped 2 days ago, pulled back, and then popped again today. Today's advance 12.5%. Volume was 1.5 million, and that's pretty good volume for that thinly traded stock. Right now, extension targets are 5 and 5 3/4. IMRX with a big pop yesterday, pulled back, and today exploded, but it backed off again. Still, from 182 to 383 and finishing at 271, up 69 cents, a 34% gain. A mere 68 million shares traded. Now your resistance is $4. You get through that, a run at the gap there at 5 would be your next target. LASE, a recent swing of ours, and a nice big pullback 3 days ago, has stabilized now in the mid high 5s, low 6s. There's a 3-day high here we want to take out around 645. If we do get that going, we would look for 8 and 9.5. Lucy with a pop today, an engulfing reversal bar. Not a lot of volume, 1.3 million, but we're up against a resistance zone that if we get through that, could be big. Target now 7 and 7 3/4. Neon looking really good in here. I like the way the coil broke, had an inside day, and then today resumed the advance. I'm looking for 11 and 14.5, 15. NUVL exploded, broke out. I put a swing on as soon as it did. It moved dramatically from about 189 to 113. Finished 111.55 up 24 plus. A near 28% gain, and I got to my first target zone. Next target 125 and 145. Palantir, multi-year, if not all-time highs. Let's take a look at it. Yep, this is the highest level since 21. At that spike high, 45 would be your next swing target. Pretty extended here near the top of the channel, however. SATS broke hard and spiked up today. Next target is 30. I like the look of this long term, especially. TEM, well, Tempest AI finally pulled back after 3 weeks, and today popped and broke back out for 5.36. An 11% gain. Volume picked up a little, not quite a lot, but the target's now going to be 64 and 70. The Tgtx, an old sector-rated swing of ours, continues to look good. Today making a new 52-week high with a target now at 35.6. A recent addition to a swing, an engulfing bullish upside reversal day. I'm now looking for 22 and 25. And lastly, Wheeler, the real estate company, had exploded and pulled back, did a nice 3.75 fib retracement. Snapped back yesterday, we followed through today. Your next target is 12 and a half, and then looking for 16, 17. This could be wildfire. Look at the unbalanced volume. Keep an eye on this tomorrow. That's it tonight, everybody. Have a great evening.